Hey there, Sunshine. So here in my hands, I have a new subscription box, but I'm so excited to unbox with you guys because guess what? There's little baby plants in this one. Okay, so here in my hands, I have the Succulent subscription box, and I'm not going to show you the actual box because my mailman wrote my address all over it. So to keep myself safe from the all non-creepers, I'm not going to show you the actual box, but it's pretty much just like a rectangular box. This is white. That's really, there's no excitement to it. Do I know pricing? No. Do I know that there are little baby plants inside of this one? Yes, and I am so excited. So let me pull out the card, and it says succulent box, and there's a little care instruction card, which is really good because succulents are like the only thing that I can keep because I can't keep plants alive because I forget about them. So I don't have a green thumb. But here's the, honestly, like I literally bought succulents at the store. I bought 4 of them, and me knowing nothing about how to raise plants and how to let them live their best lives, I put 4 succulents in a small little planter, and now I have this one succulent that like overpowered them all, and like the other 3 are dead, but there's just one succulent that's like, yeah, I've taken over, I'm killing you all. There's a little care card right here. Oh, it actually has a little bit of information to tell me about how much this is. 4 succulents month is $20, so this is like a little invoice sheet. And there's the care card, which just tells me how to like remove the packaging, don't put it in sunlight, how much to water it. Yeah, okay, so let's see. Oh, then there's little cards to tell me what kind of succulents we have in here. I'm so excited. Okay, so we have some packaging peanuts in here, and then there's 4 little succulents. So cute, little baby succulents. I'm so excited right now, guys. Like, I have little precious baby plants in my hands. Okay, so obviously you can't really see with me pulling them out of the box, but here we have the 4. So what do we have here? Apparently in this box we have, want to watch me butcher pronunciation? Stay tuned. So we have the Gratosedum California Sunset Succulent. Did I do pretty good with pronunciation? Yeah? I don't know. Rate my pronunciations down below. And then we have the Puldonus echeveria. Boom. Then we have the Subsilis echeveria. I almost just dropped the succulents. I really need to get a table. Boom. And then we have the Lola Everchiva thing. Okay, so I'm kind of nervous. I think this is going to be kind of dirty because of all of the dirt that looks like has fallen out of the box. But good news, I have some handy dandy scissors, and I'm just going to cut away at these succulents, and we're going to go through this together. So let's talk about me cutting this bubble wrap. Just listen. That's not popping. It's not going to pop. I'm so nervous that the bunch of dirt is going to dump out because I don't know if you guys can see, but there's like dirt on the bottom, which is to be expected while it's shipping. And I'm kind of scared. I don't want to have a dead succulent in my hands. Like that would make me sad. Even though I accidentally killed 3 of mine because I'm an irresponsible planter. Ooh, this one's coming out. Ah, look at it. Look at the little succulent. Oh my gosh. It almost like, it's actually like so thick. Like the little leaves or whatever you want to call it, buds, are so thick it literally looks like plastic, but it's not. Like, hello, welcome to my home. I hope you have fun while you're staying here. Okay, so like the planters are just like cheap little plastic planters. Obviously they're not meant for you to like leave the succulents in forever. That would be so freaking cool. Sorry for pointing scissors at you guys. This is not safe. That would be so cool if this box offered an option for like cute planters. Like I would love, like honestly, I kind of wish this box had come with a planter. Maybe a cute planter, like a planter for every plant, or a big enough planter for me to plant all of these plants, succulents, in. Because now I have to like go out and buy one, and I wish this box had come with one, because that really honestly would have tied everything together. This is so cute. This is like the one that I bought. Okay. And then we still have 2 more, but I think like maybe that could be an additional, like a different subscription, or maybe just like have some for sale on their website and offer like really super cute ones. Because like honestly, the only store around where I live is Walmart, and their succulent planters aren't that cute. Like I would love like a little watermelon slice planter or something like that. Okay, do not open this if you are wearing white because I'm getting dirt all over me. Ooh, look at him. It's so pretty. Ooh, okay, so then we have one more. I have to put these babies down outside of their box. Let's snip this one. This is our last succulent. Yeah, it's so bubbly. I'm so scared I'm gonna like lop the succulent in half. I would be so sad. I've just killed it. Play Bohemian Rhapsody. Mama, I just killed the man. Ooh, that was a lot of dirt that came out of that one. Aw, look at this one. It's so cute. It kind of looks a lot like the last one that I just pulled out. Yes, this is so cute. Okay, so for $20, I got 4 succulents. Now, I kind of feel like that's a little expensive. I don't have any plant experience, so I can't say, yes, that is not expensive. Or, yes, that is expensive. Like, I don't really know anything about plants. But I do think that this is, like, it's fun. Like, I'm going to pull them over so we can get, like, a better look at them all. Like, it's fun, but I just kind of feel like for $20, I personally think they're all a little small. And I still have to go out and, like, buy a planter. So I think this is really cute. I think, like, I personally would feel more comfortable between the $10 and $15 range. But they're so cute, and they're going to look so cute on my little windowsill and just, like, breathe. Don't inhale the dirt. Breathe some, like, life into my bedroom. So what did you guys think of the succulent box? I think it's really fun. I'm really, like, I'm excited to have plants. I've never unboxed a plant subscription box. So this is something totally out of the norm. But I would love to hear what your guys' thoughts are in the comment section down below. What did you think of the succulent box? Do you feel like it was too expensive? What kind of a planter should I plant it in? I can't wait to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.